All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 13, organic nitrogen compounds, chemical properties of amines, important naming reaction like Scott-Bauman reaction, carbylamine reaction, mustard oil reaction. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. Chemical properties of amine. First one, alkylation reaction. Amine react with the alkyl halide to give a successively secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. Alkylation reaction. RNH2 is a primary amine. RNH2, this is general formula for primary amine. Primary amine react with 1 moles of alkyl halide, such example CH3Br to form a secondary amine or NHCH3. This is example for secondary amine. RNH2 is a general formula for primary amine react with 2 moles of methyl bromide to form a tertiary amine or NCH3 twice. This is example for tertiary amine. RNH2 is a primary amine react with 3 moles of alkyl halide to form a quaternary ammonium salt or N plus CH3 thrice Br minus. Chemical properties of amine. First one, alkylation reaction. When amine react with the alkyl halide to form a secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. Next one is a acylation reaction. This is also very important. Aliphatic or aromatic primary and secondary amines react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine to form a N-alkyl acetamide. This reaction is called as a acylation reaction. Example, CH3 CH2 NH2. This is a ethylamine. Ethylamine react with acetyl chloride CH3 COCl in the presence of pyridine to form a N-alkyl acetamide CH3 CH2 NH COCH3. Name of this compound is N-ethyl acetamide. Next one is a Scott-Bauman reaction. Aniline react with benzoyl chloride in the presence of sodium hydroxide to give a N-phenyl benzamide. This reaction is called as a Scott-Bauman reaction. Aniline C6H5NH2. This is aniline. React with benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl in the presence of sodium hydroxide to form a C6H5NHCOC6H5. Name of this compound is N-phenyl benzamide. N-phenyl benzamide. This reaction is called as a Scott-Bauman reaction. This is very important naming reaction. When aniline react with benzoyl chloride in the presence of sodium hydroxide to form a N-phenyl benzamide. This reaction is called as a Scott-Bauman. Lieberman nitrous test. When N-methyl aniline react with nitrous acid, this is N-methyl aniline. This is N-methyl aniline. React with nitrous acid to form a N-nitroso-methylphenylamine. This reaction is called as a Lieberman nitrous test. Name of this compound is N-nitroso-methylphenylamine. This reaction is called as a Lieberman nitrous test. Scott-Bauman reaction. This is very important naming reaction. When aniline react with benzoyl chloride in the presence of sodium hydroxide to form a N-phenyl benzamide. This reaction is called as a Scott-Bauman reaction. Next one is a Lieberman nitrous test. When N-methyl aniline react with nitrous acid to form a N-nitroso-methylphenylamine. This reaction is called as a Lieberman nitrous test. Next one is a carbylamine reaction. This is very important naming reaction. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amine react with chloroform and alcoholic KOH to form a isocyanide. This reaction is called as a carbylamine reaction. Example CH3 CH2 NH2. This is ethylamine. React with chloroform. CHCl3 is a chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form a alkyl isocyanide. This reaction is called as a carbylamine reaction. CH3 CH2 NC. Name of this compound is ethyl isocyanide. Next one example C6H5NH2. Name of this compound is aniline. React with chloroform. CHCl3 is a chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form a C6H5NC. Name of this compound is phenyl isocyanide. Phenyl isocyanide. This is very important naming reaction. When primary amines are treated with carbon disulfide on treatment with mercury chloride to form a isocyanide. This reaction is called as a mustard oil reaction. Example methylamine CH3 NH2. This is methylamine. React with carbon disulfide to form a CH3 NH C double bond S NH. Name of this compound is N-methyl dithiocarbamic acid. N-methyl dithiocarbamic acid. Which on treatment with HgCl2 to form a methyl isothiocyanate. CH3 NCS. Name of this compound is methyl isothiocyanate. Methyl isothiocyanate. This reaction is called as a mustard oil test. Next one is a Hoffman's mustard oil test. This is also a very important naming reaction. When aniline react with carbon disulfide to form a S-diphenyl thiourea, which on treatment with concentrated hydrochloric acid to form a phenyl isothiocyanate. Aniline C6H5NH2. This is aniline. 2 moles of aniline react with carbon disulfide and first step is a formation S-diphenyl thiourea formation takes place. C6H5NH C6H5NH C double bond S. Name of this compound is S-diphenyl thiourea. This on treatment with concentrated hydrochloric acid to form a C6H5NCS. This is phenyl isothiocyanate. This is S-diphenyl thiourea. S-diphenyl thiourea. Next one is a reaction with nitrous acid. A mixture of sodium nitrite and a concentrated hydrochloric acid is react to form a nitrous acid. Primary amine react with nitrous acid to form a alcohol. Aromatic primary amine react with nitrous acid to form a benzene disodium chloride. Aliphatic primary amine react with nitrous acid to form a alcohol. Secondary amine react with nitrous acid to form a N-nitrosamines. Tertiary amine react with nitrous acid to form a trialkyl ammonium nitrite salt. First one is a primary amine react with nitrous acid. Example CH3 CH2 NH2 is a ethylamine react with nitrous acid HNO2. That means a mixture of NaNO2 plus ConHCl react to produce a nitrous acid. First step is a formation of CH3 CH2 N2 plus Cl minus. This is ethyl disodium chloride. This is unstable, so undergo hydrolysis with water to form a ethanol. CH3 CH2 OH. This is ethanol. Ethylamine react with nitrous acid to form a ethanol, ethyl alcohol. That means aliphatic primary amine gives a alcohol. Next one, aromatic amine C6H5NH2 react with nitrous acid HNO2. That means a mixture of NaNO2 plus concentrated hydrochloric acid at 0 degree Celsius to form a C6H5N2Cl. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Aliphatic primary amine gives alcohol. Aromatic primary amine gives a benzene diazonium chloride. Next one is a reaction with secondary amine. Secondary amine react with nitrous acid to form a N-nitrosoamine. Example for secondary amine is a N-methyl aniline. NHCH3. Name of this compound is N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline react with nitrous acid to form a N-nitrosomethylphenylamine. N-nitrosomethylphenylamine. Name of this compound is a N-nitrosomethylphenylamine. Next one is a nitrous acid react with tertiary amine. Aliphatic tertiary amine react with nitrous acid to form a trialkyl ammonium nitrate salt which is soluble in water. Example, one of the example for tertiary amine is a CH3 thrice N. Name of this compound is trimethylamine react with nitrous acid HNO2 to form a trimethyl ammonium nitrate. Trimethyl ammonium nitrate. Name of this compound is a trimethyl ammonium nitrate. Trimethyl ammonium nitrate. Next one is a aromatic tertiary amine react with nitrous acid at 273 Kelvin gives para-nitroso compound. Example for aromatic tertiary amine is N, N dimethyl aniline. This is example for tertiary amine react with nitrous acid at 273 Kelvin to form a para-nitroso N, N dimethyl aniline. Para-nitroso N, N dimethyl aniline. This is N, N dimethyl aniline. One nitroso group is present in para position. So name of this compound is para-nitroso N, N dimethyl aniline. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline. This is structure of aniline. Benzene group is directly attached to NH2 group. This is electron donating group. That means lone pair of electron in nitrogen delocalized to benzene ring. So electron density of ortho position and para position is more than meta position. So resulting electrophile attack to ortho position and para position. So resulting product is a ortho product and para product. Electrophilic substitution reaction. First one, bromination reaction. When aniline react with bromine water to form a 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. First one is a bromination. This is aniline react with bromine water to form a 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. This is a white perspirate. This is aniline Br. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So name of this compound is 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. When aniline react with bromine water to form a 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, this is white precipitate. To get monobromo compound, first NH2 group is protected using acylation. NH2, this is aniline. Aniline is first react with acylating agent like acetic anhydride, and first step is elimination of acetic acid takes place. To form a first step is a acetinolide formation takes place. This is acetinolide. NH CO CH3, this is acetinolide. This undergo bromination with bromine water and acetic acid to form a monobromo compound. Name of this compound is para-bromoacetinolide. This undergo hydrolysis with water to form a para-bromoaniline is major product. This is para-bromoaniline. This is electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline. First one is a bromination. When aniline react with bromine water to form a 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, this is white precipitate. To get monobromo compound, aniline first converted into acetinolide. This one undergo bromination with bromine water and acetic acid to form a para-bromoacetinolide. This undergo hydrolysis with water to form a para-bromoaniline. Next one is a nitration of aniline. Direct nitration of aniline gives a ortho and para-nitroaniline. Also, small amount of dark colored tar also formed. Moreover, in a strong acidic medium, aniline is protonated to anilinium ion formation takes place. Anilinium ion is a meta-directing group, so meta-nitroaniline also formed. Direct nitration of aniline. This is NH2. Aniline react with nitrating agent like con HNO3 and con H2SO4 to form a orthonitroaniline and para-nitroaniline. This is aniline. This is orthonitroaniline and para-nitroaniline. This is para-nitroaniline. In a strong acid medium, anilinium ion formation takes place. This anilinium ion is a meta-directing group, so small amount of meta-nitroaniline formation also takes place. First step is a protection of NH2 group. This is aniline react with acetic anhydride CH3CO twice O to form a acetinolide. NHCOCH3. This acetinolide undergo nitration reaction with nitric acid to form a para-nitroacetinolide. NHCOCH3. This is acetinolide. This is para-nitroacetinolide. Para-nitroacetinolide. This undergo hydrolysis with water to form a para-nitroaniline. Only para-nitroaniline is a product. Next one is a sulfonation reaction. Aniline react with concentrated sulfuric acid to form a anilinium hydrogen sulfide, which on heating with concentrated nitric acid to para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid. This is aniline. React with concentrated sulfuric acid to form a NH3 plus HSO3 minus. Name of this compound is anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate. This react with concentrated nitric acid to form a para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid. This is para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid. SO3H is a sulfonic acid group. So name of this compound is a para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid.